not too bulky either. Here, I'm gonna start a fire. Everybody gather around.
That ain't big. That ain't gonna be enough, B. Actually.
He said, actually, it does work. That's not a bad idea, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. Drop it.
Damn, they even have a
Be
phone.
pissed. Be a slight scratch on it. He's gonna be like, what the hell is that?
Delete this footage.
Alright,
We about to get ran over.
B, we just need you to guard this step with your life.
Guard.
I don't know about my life, but I damn sure do a good job.
Let me do a little zoom back up on it. Alright, let's drive a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. It's let's go right. Damn. It's Tesla time.
That's great.
RB, bro. He go.
I thought you were going straight to the wall.
RB, RC gamer. Oh, he turned it around. Look at RB go. RB going crazy. Oh shit.
Really, like, I could get that whip all the way around if I wanted to. I mean, I kind of did it twice, but I mean, really.
The unboxing, just the reboxing with Mari, man.
It's smart though, like, people are like, well, you got an RC car. Cause sponsors are where it's at.
This Mari the man, bro. He making millions off this shit.
Manscaped.
You feel me? Like, we're trying to get to that level.
Yeah.
Manscaped. Good
Liquid
for your
death.
balls.
Yeah, all that.
If I'm truly being honest, it clipped me, and I ain't what it did.
I ain't never had a Manscaped.
I got one.